We're headed out to the chicken run. I have got some corn for the chickens. I'm gonna set it up kind of as a, I don't know what they call it, enrichment. Gives them something to do thing. I'm gonna hang a couple, put a couple on the ground. I'm thinking the hanging will, move guys, move guys, move. Give them, you know, they can peck at it and it'll move and everything. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. But I gotta get you guys set up so you can see. Okay. I'm gonna hang it off of here. I'll hold your horses. I've got one tied up already, just with some string. And I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Oh, let go. I want to move it back enough where I can get two of them hanging here. That looks like about the right height, I think, maybe, sort of. I'm hoping. Hopefully they like it. I'm sure they like, I know they like corn. So, I am just hoping that this will give them kind of something to do, peck at it, and, you know. There. Oops. And see if they will like that. I'm hoping so. Just want them to have something to do because they're used to free ranging. They're not used to having to stay locked up, which, I mean, normally during the winter they stay locked up, but I know I'd get bored because there's no really bugs or plants or anything else to eat out right now. I'm going to put it in a little higher level, this one. And so I've been trying to think of things that they can do. Give them something to do. There. Now, where to put another one? Over there, I think. Just kind of spreading them out. And I'll put one on the ground just to kind of entice them. For right now, they are not sure what I am doing. We had a bunch of corn, or still have a bunch of corn in the freezer. So I got these out and I thought, yeah, I saw it on, I don't know, Facebook or YouTube or something, where somebody hung some corn up, but they had it on a board that went around and around, so when they pecked, they had to chase it. I thought, yeah, well, I don't think I'm going to do that. I'll just do it this way. Yeah. Let's see. Come on, chickens. Let me see. Yeah. I'll put this one a little lower. And then tomorrow, or whenever they're done eating, I'll come out and take it down so they don't get tangled in ropes or the string or anything. Or knowing chickens that try to eat it. There's that one. Okay. And this one, I think, yeah, I'll just lay it right there. Okay, I'll show you this other one too. Okay, there's the one on the ground and the two hanging there. And then the one hanging here. And it's lower than the other two. Just something different, you know. So I think I'm going to leave this in here. Or you guys in here for right now. And see if we catch the chickens eating on them. Well, it looks like they liked the one that was on the ground. Kinda, sorta. Yeah, they like that one, but not too sure about the ones that are hanging. Well, she was interested for a second. Okay, guys, well, I guess we will just have to check back in later and see what happens. Well, oh, there we go. There's a few peck marks. So maybe they'll eat more of it tomorrow. Let's see about this one. I'm not really seeing any on this one yet. Oh, maybe a couple. A couple. Yeah. What about this one? Oh, yeah. There's a few on that one. Yeah. Now, I can't find, the other one. I don't see it out here. Oops, get my fingers out of the way. I wonder if they took it inside, because I do not see it out here. And right now it's dark out. I came earlier and I didn't see any marks on them, so I didn't record anything. But, I don't see it. Well, guys, it wasn't inside either. I don't know where it's at. I don't know. It's the next night. And look. They ate it all. I wish I would have got it on film, but I didn't. They ate all of this one. Well, I'll bet a couple. And same with this one. Yeah, they liked it. That's good. Okay, guys. I think that's it for this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.